Brenda Zeda Rajido, KTN News.
So, to the war on corruption now, and Kenya ranks position 123 out of 180 countries, according to the latest Corruption Perception Index from Transparency International. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission today led the national commemoration of the African Anti-Corruption Day in Kenya in an event held at the University of Nairobi. According to Justice Aaron Ringera and EACC CEO Twalib Mbarak, corruption witnessed in Kenya is catapulted by the citizen. Odi Francis now reports.
According to the Auditor General report, it is estimated that over 1/3 of Kenyan annual budget is never accounted for. This has seen different assets recovery headed by Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission and prosecutions done in court. Today, during the African Anti-Corruption commemoration, a look at gaps and solutions in combating corruption was the order of the day. According to Judge Emeritus of the East African Court of Justice and the Court of Appeal of Kenya, Aaron Ringera, and the EACC CEO Twalib Mbarak, citizens have accelerated corruption in their own way. Ringera is the former anti-graft Caesar.
Most Kenyans want to take shortcuts to achieve success in any endeavor, ranging from use of fake academic certificates to seek employment, theft of public resources, and disregard of the rule of law.
Wananchi lazima waangalie aina gani ya viongozi wanachagua.
Ringera has emphasized the need to curb corruption practices, which leads to inequalities and violates the basic service delivery and systems by strengthening whistleblowers' protection and the justice system.
Although citizens may largely hate corruption and its consequences, they are guilty of embracing, defending, and standing in solidarity with those accused of embezzling their resources. Citizens have been seen following leaders accused of corruption to EACC offices and even the courts of law, where they sing and dance as the leader is processed.
The submission of 2 bills seeking to repeal critical provisions of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act 2003, sponsored by Geoffrey Kiringa Ruku, and that of Homa Bay, Kaluma George Peter Opondo, seeking to repeal the legal provision that prohibits corruption convicts from appointment to public office, does not sit well with Justice Ringera.
The need for stakeholders to evaluate the progress made, charges encountered, and the reforms required in the pursuit of an ethical society is more urgent now than ever before.
At the side of the DPP, when it is it's no longer, it's not a civil crime. On our side, we do allow ADR, and we like ADR because ADR reduces the backlog of cases on our side, and also it reduces the agony on the accused. Because if corruption cases take 10 to 15 years, umeshika mtu ako 58 like myself, then you put him in a process of 10, 15 years in the court case. Do you know what will happen? I will die in 3 years.
Kenyans have been encouraged to collaborate in the realization of an ethical Kenya society by embracing the spirit of taming corruption. Ode Francis, KTN News, Nairobi.
A recent theft of CCTV cameras